Good morning guys. So, mayroon tayong delivery today is worth of $219. So, $219 at ito lang. Yung manok, magkano yung manok is $40. Na-marinate na to, pang barbecue. At ito namang sausage, aba, sobrang laki. Saan pa ito galing? It's worth of $44. Ito naman isang sausage, ano to? English pork sausage of $39. Yan. Itong maliit is karne ito guys, ribeye 15. Ay, ito tatlong piraso $44. Also this one, oh my god, $45. Ganyan lang guys, $45 of worth of 1,500 sa Pilipinas. Ito lang. Naku, lagay dyan. $219 times 42. So, sa Pilipinas, isang buo na baboy na maliliit na. So, yan lang. Nako. Vegetarian muna tayo pag